Today in this video, we'll be looking at how to solve build error in your next project in just 2 steps. And you can actually apply these 2 steps for any error that you're getting, because there are so many errors which can just be solved by these 2 steps. But in this video, specifically, we're looking at the error which goes by the name E0empty. Alright, so for this, there are just 2 steps. Alright, the first step is to delete this .next directory. Right, so you can do it by command or also manually from the folder. Right, the command is rmrf.next, and that will delete your .next directory. And then the second step is to delete this package.log.json file. Alright, again, you can manually delete from the folder, or you can use the command rm-rf and then the file name. And that's it. Now you can actually build your next project again. npm run build. Now I'm fast forwarding this, right? Because it'll take some time. And that's it. We have successfully built our next project. Now you can actually apply these 2 methods for most of the errors, right? But there'll also be some errors which cannot be solved by these 2 steps, right? In that case, you have to have a specific solution, right? And that's it. That's it for this video. I'll be coming back with so many other tutorials regarding Nextjs, TypeScript, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and so many other things about front-end development. And until then, have a great day.